Hi, I'm Brad with Family Handyman. Today we're going to talk a little bit about dispensing expanding foam. Now most people are familiar with this disposable straw type dispenser, and those are used on smaller cans like this one. But if you've got a larger job where you got to spray a lot of foam, you're going to want a larger can. And for that, you're going to need a gun type dispenser. Let me show you how it works. Now using expanding foam is messy, so you're going to want to wear gloves, because if you get the stuff on your skin, it'll be there until it wears off. And don't wear your favorite clothes either. Now the cool thing about a gun is that it closes off at the tip when you release the trigger. That way you can leave it attached to the can and you can still use the foam for up to 30 days before you have to take the gun off and clean it. So we've got the can all shaken up. Next, just pop off this cap, screw on the gun, and you're ready to go. Another nice thing about these guns, this knob on the back, you can adjust it to control the pull of the trigger, so you can really regulate the amount of product that comes out the tip. And since the gun closes at the tip, you get way less drippage after you've released the trigger. But if you're going to leave that sit for any amount of time, still wipe it off, because after it cures, it's a little harder to deal with. So you can leave the gun on here for up to 30 days and the product still remains usable. But if you're not going to use it up within 30 days, or if you empty the can and you're done, you got to take the gun off and clean it. Let me show you how to do it. So when you're ready to clean, have your can of cleaner fluid ready to go. Take the cap off and first put on the little spray nozzle that's included. Next, unscrew the gun from the can. Then you'll see there's a little foam inside the threaded area here, and so you're going to use the cleaner and shoot a little in there to get that off. Then you can take this cap off of the cleaner and thread the gun onto the can of cleaner. Then you can shoot it out into a trash container, or I like to use a cardboard box. Now when you shoot this out, it'll be foam first, and as soon as you see clear liquid coming out, then you can stop and set the can upright on the bench and let it sit for a couple minutes. So after the gun is soaked for a couple minutes, check it out again, squirt a little bit more into the box. As long as it's still clear, you're good to go. And you can just remove the gun. The gun will be all set for you next time you're going to spray foam. So if you want to step up your expanding foam game, you want to switch from the straw to the gun. For more information on expanding foam, visit us at familyhandyman.com.